going to look. You know, sometimes it does not look like the picture. And a lot of y'all been telling me how cute my hair is. Thank y'all. So here's the lampshade. It is not white. It is not white. Look at that. It's like a creamy beige. Not white. And they are 36 inches. Let's see. So I'm making all this mess today so I can clean it up. And they packaged it really good. Let me see if I can show you the way it's packaged. Can you see that? I don't know. Okay. And they're not heavy, that's for sure. They're obviously packaged. Most times I would break the whole box down. Light, but the color is gorgeous. All right, so I guess I need to screw this on. Gorgeous. This is just simple. It costs a little bit more, and then they have this kind and another one with the clear base along with a little black, some black legs on them, so it can get up to, I believe, 41 inches tall. So yeah, this is it. It's cute. I love it. I love it, y'all. It matches my art. I've seen lamps where you have to put the lampshades together. I prefer these over those, which I've never had to put one together, but I've seen them. Really? I want to make sure it's not crooked. To me, they could have put one turn on these harp and finials. I might cut out a lot of this. Because I know a lot of times y'all just want to get to the good part. I know I do sometimes. So, all right, and this is the lamp. Alrighty then, I was so excited unboxing these lamps that I did so much talking. I edited a lot of that talking out, but let's go ahead and decorate the space. I went ahead and cleaned the space off camera, actually in another video. I'll share that later on this week on everything I did in the space to get it ready to decorate. So some of the items I'm just putting back in place, but I needed my home to be clean again. So I'll share that video at another time. And hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sharita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sharita. Welcome. So in today's video, of course, you just saw the unboxing of the new lamps and we're going to decorate the space. I am going to be decorating for late spring, early summer, adding some more green to my open floor plan. And my open floor plan isn't open to the kitchen, to the complete house. Is this big open space. Of course, I try to decorate it in such a way that the two or the three areas kind of blend into each other. So I'm going to be using some green and gold and black and just a mix of different things that I love in this particular video. So I hope you enjoy. Please stay tuned and I'll check back in with you all in a minute. All right, so in the front entryway, I wanted more of black and gold in this area. Although I'm not doing a whole lot of black and gold in this space, I do have elements of black and gold. So they should be fine working together. Most of the items you see over here, I have already had. And if I have links, I'll be sure to share them in the description. The most asked about piece in this area is my mirror, and I absolutely love it. I've had it forever, purchased it from Haverty's. Now let's go ahead and decorate the bookshelf. I've had this bookshelf forever and I absolutely love it. And I am filling it with some home decor and books that I love. My bookshelf screams home decor, but my Kindle whispers self-help, mystery, and realistic fiction. And most of you know, and some may not, that I am a member of a book club group. It's just a small book club group here in Memphis. It's 10 ladies and we are friends. We come together once a month and discuss a book. So each person in the group has a month to host a meeting, and we come together 1 month, and whoever hosts the meeting, they select the book. So last month's book was a good read, and this one is a good read too. What are some of the books you're reading right now? Leave it in the description if you are fond of reading books, and drop some good books. I'm up for a good book, and I'm going to be hosting pretty soon, so I need a book for the month. So let's go ahead and continue decorating the space, and I'll check back with you guys in just a minute. Hey y'all, do y'all remember these Ottomans? I absolutely love them. Every now and then I would recover them and I would leave the original fabric on them, and this time I am swapping them out because the grandbaby wrote on the fabric with a crayon. It's washable, or I could have used some faux legs, but I definitely wanted to remove the fabric before I cleaned them because I didn't want that crayon seeping through to the original faux fur fabric that was on there. And that fabric I put on there before was actually inexpensive. I think I paid $6 for enough to cover 2 ottomans. All right, so I've already started adding my new lamps to the space. Now, here is a general rule of thumb. Your lamp can be anywhere from 58 to 64 inches, including your end table. So if your end table is 22 and your lamp is 36, you're 58 inches. I believe one of my end tables is 22 inches. The other one is 24 inches. So with a 36-inch lamp, I'm anywhere from 58 to 60 inches. So I am safe. So before anyone gets on here and say those lamps are tall, they are. Another need to know is, where do you position your end table? The rule of thumb is you center your end table with your sofa arm. Now you can put it wherever you want to. Today, mine is centered with my sofa arm. Last month, it was centered with my sofa arm. 2 years ago, it was. Next week, who knows? I may move it up against the wall. It's whatever works for you. Now, if you want a little less clutter, or you're making sure you don't want to block a view, you can go with something simple like this, which is 2 metal bowls, and you can put a decorative ornament or something like that in them. But I wanted more of a dramatic look, so I brought my old faithful back out, and she's gorgeous. I absolutely love her still. And I'm just going to add these decorative beads over here on this bookshelf. Now, a lot of people may look at my space and say there's a lot, but technically, if I took this bookshelf out, there's not a lot going on. There's very little. And to me anyway. All right, everyone, here are the colors together. And I absolutely love these blinds. I'll leave the link to them in the description. This is perfect for our back window. I mean, a lot of times I'll open it all the way up. When the blinds are completely open, this living room looks even bigger because the backyard looks like an extension of the living room. Absolutely love the way everything looks. I'll leave links to everything I have access to in the description, as well as I'll link it to the YouTube video that's pretty popular right now. You can actually shop while you're watching your videos. So be sure to look for the links in the description. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit the subscribe button. Turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. And I'm going to leave a little clip at the end of this video of a nighttime view of the space. I added some lights to my bookshelf. Don't forget, if you have a couple of books you want to throw my way, don't forget to leave them in the comments. And please like, share, and comment. It really does help my channel. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.